Today we're here together in the sight of God to pay our last respects to the symbol of our great nation and to retire these flags. The U.S. flag code reads, "The flag, when it is in such condition that it is no longer a fitting emblem for display, should be destroyed in a dignified way, preferably by burning." Before we commence with our flag retirement, I would like to read these patriotic words about our flag. I am your flag. I was born on June 14th, 1777. I am more than just a piece of cloth shaped in a colorful design. I am the silent sentinel of freedom for the greatest sovereign nation on earth. I am the inspiration for which American patriots gave their lives and fortunes. I am the emblem of America. I have led our troops into battle from Valley Forge to Afghanistan. I have been there through the Civil War, 2 world wars, at Gettysburg, Korea, Vietnam, the Gulf War, and many other missions. I walk in silence with each of our honored dead to their final resting place beneath the silent white crosses. I have flown through peace and war, through strife and prosperity, and amidst it all, I have always been respected. My red stripes symbolize the blood spilled in defense of this glorious nation. My white stripes symbolize the burning tears shed by Americans who lost their sons in battle. My blue field represents God's heaven under which I fly. My stars, clustered together, unify the 50 states as one for God and country. I am Old Glory, and I proudly wave on high. Honor me, respect me, and defend me with your lives. Never let our enemies tear me down from my lofty position. Keep alight the fires of patriotism. Strive earnestly for the spirit of democracy, and keep me always as a symbol of freedom, liberty, and peace in our country. When comes the time that I am old and faded, do not let me fly in disrepair. Rather, retire me from my duties only to replace me with a new flag so that I may continue to symbolize our country. At this time, anybody wearing a hat, please remove it and be in silence until the flags are consumed. Thank you for your respect. It's an honor to share it.
Yes.